gone every single night. And I don't mind, 'cause I feel right. Almost to the God, I really don't mind. Swear I wanna die, yeah. When you cross my road, I wanna die, yeah. No, I'm not alright, yeah. I might start a riot, yeah. I'm so fucking tired, yeah. So, what you say? Feeling good, I'm feeling great. Tired of the fucking hate. Stacking shit on my plate. Outside my misery, I think I'll find a way of envisioning a better life for the rest of us. The rest of us. Oh, for the rest of us. The rest of us.